From ancient beans to your daily cup, this is how instant Nescafe coffee is made.
Every sip of Nescafe has a story behind it.
Behind this familiar aroma lies a long journey of farming, technology, and transformation.
Coffee is believed to have first originated in the ancient highlands of Ethiopia centuries ago.
What began as a simple discovery slowly became one of the most beloved drinks in the world. For generations, coffee was roasted and brewed using simple traditional methods.
Over time, coffee evolved from a regional drink into a global ritual enjoyed every day. Today, that ancient tradition meets advanced industrial technology to create instant Nescafe coffee. The journey begins at carefully managed coffee farms, where ripe cherries are harvested at peak maturity. Only selected coffee cherries are chosen to ensure consistent flavor and quality. Harvesting is one of the first important steps in building a taste profile of Nescafe coffee. Once collected, the cherries move quickly toward primary processing. The outer fruit is removed, and the beans inside are separated for further processing. Cleaning helps remove unwanted material before the beans continue their industrial journey. At this stage, the beans still look pale and raw, far from the dark coffee we know. The beans are carefully dried to reduce moisture and prepare them for transport and roasting. Quality checks begin early to maintain consistency in every batch of Nescafe. After drying and inspection, the beans are packed and prepared for transport to modern factories. From farms, the coffee travels long distances before reaching advanced production plants. The beans are cleaned, sorted, and prepared for one of the most important stages of all. But the real transformation starts now, because roasting unlocks the color, aroma, and identity of Nescafe coffee. The roasting process begins to transform the beans' color and aroma. During roasting, green beans undergo chemical changes, like the Maillard reaction, turning them golden brown. This creates the aroma and flavor of coffee. The beans begin to brown, releasing steam and aromatic oils. This is the crucial stage where the flavor develops. The aroma builds as the beans transform. At our modern Nescafe facility, multiple roasting drums operate simultaneously, enabling large-scale production of high-quality coffee beans. This advanced process ensures consistent flavor and efficiency. Precision roasting ensures consistency. Digital monitoring allows for precise control and optimal results in every batch. The beans are now cooling and stabilizing in temperature. As the airflow passes over, moisture evaporates, and the surface temperature drops to ambient levels. The next step is grinding the roasted beans. The grinding process prepares the beans for extraction by reducing their size, which increases the surface area and allows for better flavor extraction during brewing. This process controls the texture of the powder. You can see the beans breaking into a coarse, uneven consistency. Uniform grinding is critical for even extraction. This ensures every particle contributes to the flavor. Inconsistent grinds can lead to over or under extraction. This large grinding system is designed for continuous operation, maximizing efficiency by processing coffee beans into powder without interruption. Hot water flows into the coffee powder tank. This extracts flavor compounds from the grounds. The dark coffee liquid forms inside the extraction chamber. As it filters through the grounds, it becomes more concentrated. This creates a rich, concentrated coffee extract. This extraction system uses a network of stainless steel pipes to transport coffee liquid. Control valves regulate the pressure and flow rate. This ensures optimal extraction of flavors. In multi-stage extraction, raw materials are processed through a series of units. Each stage applies a specific condition, such as heat or pressure, to isolate compounds. The strength of this coffee comes from its high concentration of dissolved solids. Its rich aroma is released as volatile compounds are carried by the flow. In the concentration stage, the coffee extract thickens as water is removed. This intensifies the flavor and aroma compounds. The result is a rich, potent essence. The deep brown color reveals the richness of the coffee extract, a concentrated essence of flavor and aroma. The extracted coffee liquid is stored in these large tanks before being prepared for drying. This step is crucial for maintaining the quality of the final product. In extraction processes, quality control is vital to ensure purity and consistency. Here, the worker uses digital analysis to precise monitoring maintains extraction quality in real time. The liquid coffee extract is now being pumped towards the drying section, where it will be transformed into powder. But how does liquid coffee become powder? Coffee extract is sprayed as a fine mist into the hot chamber. Hot air rapidly evaporates the moisture, forming fine particles swirl and settle, ready for collection. Observe these tiny liquid droplets. A process instantly removes the moisture. The droplets rapidly dry and transform into powder. The coffee powder falls like dust. Its structure transforms in the air, emerging as fine, dry particles. This large spray drying tower operates on an industrial scale. It atomizes liquid feed into fine droplets at the top. Hot air flows downward to evaporating moisture. Freeze drying is an alternative preservation method. It involves freezing the material, then applying a vacuum. This removes moisture, while it's ideal for sensitive materials. The coffee extract is freezing. Ice crystals begin to form. This structure preserves the flavor compounds. In a vacuum, ice on crystals undergoes sublimation, turning directly into vapor without becoming liquid. This process, vacuum drying, preserves the crystals. The heat causes the coffee crystals to expand rapidly. This process creates a porous, sponge-like texture. The porous structure enhances the crystal's ability to dissolve. Nescafe Gold's premium freeze-drying process continuously locks in the rich flavor of fresh coffee. The result is a premium coffee with superior taste, aroma, and quality in every granule. Observe the crystal-like structure of these premium coffee granules. Their angular facets and porous texture are key to superior flavor extraction. We inspect the coffee granules under specialized light to find any imperfections. This ensures that every batch meets our high-quality standards. The finished instant coffee is now moving toward the packaging section. Coffee powder flows steadily from the overhead pipe into the massive storage silo. This silo is designed for efficient bulk storage holding powder, ensuring consistent supply for production. The system is ready for packaging. Powder is released into the pipeline. The material flows smoothly toward packaging. Observe the granular texture as it falls. The scattering of particles provides visual satisfaction. This sensory experience triggers relaxation through texture perception. This is the first step in our automated packaging line. Empty glass jars enter the system via the conveyor belt, ready for the filling phase. The jars enter the automated cleaning system. First, they are scrubbed and washed inside the rotary washer. The jars are now reservoirs. Air knives deliver a sterile dry. Sterilizing jars with steam is crucial for safety. It kills bacteria and pathogens. This ensures your canned food is safe to eat. The jars move steadily along the conveyor belt, heading towards the filling station. This automated system ensures efficient and hygienic filled with product before moving next production stage. Precise filling ensures each jar contains the exact amount of coffee powder. The nozzles control the flow rate for consistency. This accuracy for product quality and regulatory standards. The Nescafe Classic Blend is known for its rich, full-bodied taste. Made from carefully selected Arabica and Robusta beans, enjoy the timeless, authentic coffee experience in every jar. Nescafe Gold is a premium freeze-dried coffee, crafted with high-quality beans for a rich, smooth taste and presented in this elegant glass jar. From classic original to premium gold blend, decaffeinated, barista-style Azera, and even cappuccino, Nescafe has a coffee for everyone. Convenience packs offer an easy, portable way to enjoy fresh coffee. Pre-measured and sealed, they ensure quality and reduce waste. High-speed packaging at work. Precision seals in milliseconds. Unmatched efficiency and reliability, the future of packaging technology. The printer applies the brand logo, establishing visual identity. Next, the product name and key details are printed. Finally, the barcode enables efficiently frictionless label. This automated system scans glass jars for quality control. Cameras and sensors detect any defects in real time. This ensures only perfect products reach the consumer. This plastic film provides an essential barrier, protecting the contents from contamination and physical damage. It also guards against moisture and dust, helping to maintain product quality. The cardboard and plastic-wrapped packs enter the conveyor system, moving towards the boxing station. Gripping arms precisely handle the packs, transferring them to the guides of the boxing system. This automated system fills boxes at a rapid pace. The machinery operates continuously, ensuring every box is filled correctly. This process maximizes throughput while minimizing labor costs. Secure packaging starts with quality materials. Use strong packing tape for a secure seal. Apply firm pressure to bond the tape to the box. This robotic arm demonstrates automated stacking in a warehouse. It operates with high precision and speed, minimizing errors. Such automation streamlines logistics, reducing costs. The pallets are prepared and organized for shipment, a key step in the distribution process. This ensures efficient handling and delivery to the next stage in supply chain. From the factory to your cup, every step is crafted for perfection. Savor the journey in every sip. The final step is to pour the coffee. Pour steadily into the center of the cup. This ensures even extraction and full flavor. Stirring releases the aroma of coffee. The swirl aerates the liquid, intensifying the scent. Notice the richness of flavor, with chocolate and caramel notes, and a smooth, lingering finish. This is the result of that entire journey.
Feel the warmth rising from the mug. Inhale the comforting aroma. Now, take a slavers on your tongue.
Discover the world of Nescafe, from instant classics to rich espresso blends. Our range offers quality and variety for every coffee moment, anywhere. Nescafe Gold is made from premium coffee beans using a unique freeze-dried process for a rich, aromatic cup every time. This is the magic of instant coffee. Just add hot water and the granules dissolve instantly. A convenient, rich cup of coffee in seconds. Enjoy the convenience of a smooth coffee, perfectly mixed every time.
In a warm, cozy coffee shop, the comforting aroma of fresh coffee fills the air, inviting you to relax and unwind.
Crafted for the highest quality. Rich, bold flavor in every jar. Experience the difference. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next process video.